For this project, we are to work on the design, construction, and programming of a mechatronic wheeled robot. Before we begin, here are the general specifications that need to be followed. The robot should be a wheeled, mobile, and tetherless robot. The robot must possess 2 or more wheels. The robot must possess a vertical axis rotating turret articulated by an electric motor, and it should possess a horizontal axis. 1. An arm gun turret should be connected to this horizontal axis, and 2. The arm axis has to be articulated by an electric motor like a stepper motor or a brushed servo motor. In this video, we'll be going over our progress so far in this project. We mainly focused on wiring and programming a Wi-Fi module to control the robot remotely.
To connect the Wi-Fi module right here, you will follow the parallax tutorials, which are given here, and then you will have to change your Wi-Fi connection to the given one right here, and then update its firmware. And it looks like this once you get it working. One thing I did notice was a problem was the Wi-Fi module only works at 2.4 gigahertz, while my Wi-Fi is a 5 gigahertz. So I had to use an Ethernet cable to be able to get internet on my computer while I have it connected to the Wi-Fi module, since I only have one Wi-Fi port. And then you can see here you upload a file, and then you can pull the file as you would see here with the servo angle. As well as you can change the home or the network, and then add other files, change your settings and firmware. And then here's one of the example codes that we're showing how to move the servo. And with this, I'll be teaching myself HTML and learning how to take this and move it into another HTML file that will be modified to work for our project. As you see here, our parallax board is only controlled by a power mount right now, and we have the Wi-Fi module right here attached to it, and I have a servo that I've been working on testing. And as you see here from an example file, to learn more about HTML, since this is an HTML file, it will change the servo motor. As you see here, if I click here, you'll see a servo motor move, and then so on and so on. And I'll be using this to control the barrel and the side-to-side movement of the tank, as well as other sliders for the movement of the wheels.
In regards to the building and assembly of the actual robot, we are waiting on the laser cut parts from the workshop. The design of the vehicle is going to follow the design guidelines provided by Professor Nichols. Once we get the parts, assembly should hopefully be completed within a day or so, although we might need to make some minor adjustments depending on weight distribution and what kinds of motors we plan on using.